Achieving outstanding results depends entirely on having quality equipment at your disposal. Have you discovered the battery-free, pump-free portable water system that eliminates dust and debris effortlessly? This innovation keeps work areas spotless without complications. What about those frustrating overhead branches that seem impossible to trim? There's revolutionary equipment that extends to remarkable heights while delivering clean, accurate cuts through thick limbs. Which remarkable innovations are we discussing? Countless other solutions exist to streamline your workflow, and overlooking them could set you back significantly. Continue watching as we reveal the exceptional capabilities and advantages of these essential implements that every professional tradesperson and DIY enthusiast must include in their toolkit. Need to make your wire pulls smoother and safer? Look no further than IT Tool Company. Real Jacks. These innovative jack stands are built to handle the tough stuff. They've got 4 seal bearings that can support up to 20,000 pounds, keeping your reel securely in place. That means no worrying about the reel tipping over or traveling while you're working. They stay put no matter what. The best part? You can use them on uneven ground without any issues. Even if you're dealing with reels up to 6,000 pounds, Real Jacks can handle it. The closed head traps the axle, so it won't fall out or shift during the pull. Plus, the top-mounted hand crank helps level everything without getting in the way of your setup. Once you're done, just fold them up and go. They're lightweight too, about 35 pounds per side, making them easy to carry. Real Jacks are the go-to for faster, safer wire pulls every time. If you're looking to make your drywall job smoother, the Marshalltown Mesh Taper is a must-have. This tool makes it easy to apply self-adhesive mesh tape to flat seams and corners, giving you a clean and efficient finish every time. It holds tape with 2 or 3-inch cores, and switching between them is simple. Just pop off the black adapter for 2-inch rolls and leave it on for 3-inch ones. Using it is a breeze. Feed the tape under the internal guide and you're ready to go. For corners, just flip the corner roller forward and let it help smooth the tape as you apply. When you're done, the trigger-operated blade cuts the tape right where you need it, keeping you in control. Whether you're a pro or doing some home improvements, the Mesh Taper makes the drywall process fast and easy. Struggling with tricky areas during your projects? The Tracer Contour Gauge is here to save the day. This heavy-duty tool makes profile scribing a breeze. Whether you're working with flooring, skirting, or pipe work, it's perfect for those detailed jobs where you need precise measurements. Using it is super simple. Just push the gauge against any surface and the sliding teeth will shape around it. Lock them in place and you're ready to transfer that exact shape onto your material. It's available in 2 sizes, 130 millimeters, 5-inch for smaller jobs, and 250 millimeters, 10 for larger ones. Designed to last, the Contour Gauge and Tracer Pencil are made to handle the rough and tough conditions of a work site. If you want precision and durability, this tool's got you covered. Ever dropped something down a pipe or had to deal with roots or rocks blocking it? The Bolen Pipe Catcher is the simple solution you need. This air-driven tool makes it easy to retrieve items from inside pipes, so you can avoid the hassle and cost of digging things up. It's super straightforward. Just turn the air hose to control it and use the air valve to open and close the claws. The pipe catcher comes with 3 different claw sizes, meaning you can pick up objects even in smaller pipes as narrow as 3 inches. Need more reach? You can choose between a 16-foot or 33-foot hose and connect them if you need extra length. Despite its small size, it's powerful, able to lift over 220 pounds. So whether it's rocks, roots, or a tool you accidentally dropped, the pipe catcher's got you covered. Tired of dealing with stubborn weeds? The Hill Tip Weed Striker has you covered with a powerful and eco-friendly solution. This fully electric hot water weed control unit is designed to be mounted on pickups, trailers, and tractors, making it perfect for professional use in areas like parks, sidewalks, and driveways. Using 98 degrees Celsius hot water, the Weed Striker kills weeds without any harmful chemicals. The best part? The treated area is safe to use immediately after. Its smart design includes a spray gun and weed control lens, along with a 20-meter hose that automatically rewinds, so it's easy to handle. The Strike Smart smartphone app makes it super simple to control everything from the water flow to the heat settings. And with its quiet operation and toxin-free method, it's a great way to keep spaces clean without harming the environment. Just spray, roll in the hose, and you're ready to go. Working in tight, dark spaces can be a real pain, but the Matco Tools Mole 1000 makes things a whole lot easier. This Underhood light is compact, but packs a punch with its super bright 10 WCOB light. It's perfect for lighting up your engine bay or any workspace where you need clear, focused light. What's great about it? It's got 360-degree swiveling hooks and strong magnets on both ends, so you can hang or stick it anywhere. You can even rotate the light to get the best angle, making sure every part of your job is lit up just right. It's built tough too, with a strong ABS body and impact-resistant design. Plus, the rechargeable battery keeps you going for hours, and when it's time to charge, the USB-C port gets it done fast in about 4.5 hours. If you need bright light that's easy to use and lasts, the Mole 1000 is a game changer. Experience seamless welding with the Inco AHM 112 Auto Darkening Welding Goggles. These goggles are designed to enhance your welding experience while keeping your eyes safe and comfortable. The 95 by 31 millimeters viewing area gives you a clear sight of your work, while the auto darkening function automatically adjusts the lens shade from light state 3 to dark state 11 based on brightness. This feature ensures you have protection without sacrificing visibility, so you can focus on your task. Comfort is key for long welding sessions, and these goggles offer a snug fit for extended wear. Plus, their durable construction stands up to the demanding conditions of any welding environment. Upgrade your gear with the Inco AHM 112 and enjoy a blend of safety, comfort, and functionality. Enhance your painting experience with the Wagner Control Pro 130 Power Tank Paint Sprayer. Crafted for those larger projects, this sprayer effortlessly handles both interior and exterior tasks, allowing you to unleash your creativity without the usual fuss. Whether you're giving your home a fresh coat or revitalizing a spacious deck, the Control Pro 130 is designed to simplify the process. Its user-friendly setup takes the stress out of airless spraying, giving you the freedom to focus on the task at hand. The gravity-fed system ensures quick priming and cleanup, so you can keep your space tidy while getting the job done. Thanks to the high-efficiency airless technology, you'll enjoy a beautifully smooth finish with minimal overspray, up to 55% less than standard sprayers, making it easier to prepare and clean up afterward. With the addition of a new TE2 gun, every stroke feels effortless, transforming the way you paint. If you're looking for a smart way to make painting easier, the Tools Flexi Frame might just be your new best friend. The unique design has 2 attachment points on both sides of the roller. What's cool about that? Well, it prevents the roller from slipping or walking off like traditional frames tend to do. Plus, the slim arms on each side leave just a small gap between the roller and the wall, so you can paint right up to edges without worrying about messy mistakes. No need to make those wide cut-ins either, saving you time. When the job's done, you can remove the roller without even touching it. Nice, right? It's super lightweight, weighing only half a pound, so handling it won't be a hassle. The textured handle gives you a solid grip, and there's a hook to rest it on your bucket or tray. Plus, if you've got a bigger space, the 18-inch version helps get the job done faster. It even adjusts for walls, floors, or ceilings. If you're tired of struggling to start a fire, meet the Rocket Fire Torch, the fastest fire starter out there. Whether you're grilling up something delicious or gathering around the fire pit with family, you don't want to waste time with slow matches or messy liquids. With the Rocket Fire, you'll have a blazing fire in seconds thanks to its 2,000-degree heat and tri-flame tip. No need for kindling or accelerants. Built with high-quality materials like stainless steel and brass, it's designed to last. And safety? It's UL certified, so you're in good hands every time you use it. Plus, if you're not completely impressed, they offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. It's time to make lighting a fire fast, easy, and fun, leaving more time for what really matters. If you're looking for a powerful, eco-friendly machine that delivers on performance, the HG Mini Dumper is the answer. Built for professionals, this mini dumper is designed to create a cleaner, quieter, and safer work environment without sacrificing power. The E2000 model can carry up to 2 tons of material, making it perfect for tough jobs. And with its lithium battery, you'll get up to 12 hours of runtime, more than enough for a full workday. One of the best parts? It recharges fast. You can go from 20% to 80% in just 2.5 hours, so downtime is minimal. The one-pedal driving system adds comfort and simplicity to your work, making it easy to maneuver. Plus, with reduced noise and emissions, it's a great choice for any job site looking to improve its environmental impact. Pruning tough branches just got a lot easier with the Milwaukee M18 brushless telescoping pole pruning shears. These pruning shears are designed to cut through branches up to 1 3/4 inches thick with clean, precise bypass cuts. No more struggling with manual tools. The brushless motor delivers power without effort, so you can get up to 2,000 cuts per charge when paired with the M18 red lithium battery. One of the standout features is the telescoping pole. You can quickly adjust it from 7 to 10 feet, making those hard-to-reach branches easy to handle. Plus, it's up to 3 times faster than traditional manual tools, cutting down your work time. And with its ergonomic design, it reduces muscle fatigue by up to 80%, letting you prune for longer without feeling worn out. Whether you're tackling a big project or just keeping your yard tidy, these pruning shears make the job fast, clean, and effortless. Ever wished for an easier way to move heavy loads without the hassle? The Motion Sense Rope Tow does just that. Unlike regular towing machines that pull stuff toward them, this one moves itself along the rope. It's designed for both horizontal and vertical use, making it super versatile. Safety comes first. In case of power failure or an unexpected issue, the emergency lockup system kicks in to keep everything secure. The 36V brushless motor and strong steel gears ensure reliable performance, while the abrasion-resistant hooks hold up under pressure. With a pulling power of over 400 pounds, this little machine can handle big tasks. And it's quick too, moving at 36 feet per minute. The thick 1.5-inch nylon rope is tough enough to withstand serious weight, with a braking strength of 5,679 pounds. Control it wirelessly from 600 feet away, making things easy and safe. And don't worry about power. The lithium-ion battery, just like those in electric cars, keeps it running strong. Plus, at just 25 pounds, it's lightweight and portable. Embrace simplicity and efficiency with the Hose 2 Go, the ultimate portable water supply for the rental and construction industry. This innovative unit delivers a constant flow of water, making it perfect for dust suppression while cutting, core drilling, or grinding concrete. With no pumps, batteries, or complicated electronics, the Hose 2 Go offers hassle-free operation. It features a 3.7-gallon capacity, providing up to 30 minutes of pressurized water at 7 to 10 psi. What makes the Hose 2 Go stand out? Its reliability. Forget about breakdowns or dead batteries. The handle has 2 carrying positions for easy transport, and the 3-meter hose gives you nearly 20 feet of reach for versatile use. Designed in Australia after 6 years of development, the Hose 2 Go is a game-changer in dust suppression and portable water supply. When your day involves multiple work sites, efficiency is key. The Bora Portamate PM 4500 Speed Horse is here to make your life easier. With a quick setup and takedown process, this innovative sawhorse sets up 30 times faster than traditional models. Just pull the release button in the middle of the frame and you're ready to go. Built tough, it can handle everything from construction and carpentry to furniture projects, ensuring you have the support you need for heavy-duty tasks. Once your job is done, simply pull the levers to fold the legs up. No need to worry about the order. This contractor-grade sawhorse is designed to adapt to any environment, making it the perfect upgrade for your workspace. Is your sawhorse built for speed? With a Speed horse, you get strength and performance in one portable package, allowing you to work smarter, faster, and stronger. Thanks for joining us on this journey through amazing tools you should know about. We hope you discovered some game-changing options to make your projects smoother and more efficient.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.